I'll tell you how to extract the meat from these clamshells we found in our pond. See?
Now we have washed it thoroughly and kept it in a sieve. We are going to keep it in boiling water. Do you know why? So the clams can open its mouth, so we can get the meat. Oh, look! The mouth is starting to open. Yay! See? You can see the meat inside. Now you can take the meat with your hands, or you can put it in a container and shake, shake, shake.
This is the shell and the body covering it.
We got the meat from the clam. See? The white in color.